What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to reset your Clash of Clans village. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. If you intend on restarting your Clash of Clans village, then you can simply log in using a new or unused account and you can start from the beginning. To do so, tap on your settings icon on the right hand side of your screen. From here, select the Connected button to access your Supercell ID account information. From here, you can access your Supercell ID settings. This will allow you to log out of your current account. Select Logout. Confirm logging out and you will then be sent back to the login screen for Clash of Clans. You can then select to log in with your Supercell ID or play without Supercell ID. Select to log in using a new Supercell ID and you will then be prompted to log in with a new email address. This will allow you to switch from one village to another using two different Supercell accounts. You also have the choice to play using no account at all. All of your game progress will then be saved on your device and you can select to connect your account to a new Supercell ID in the future. In case you are stuck or having issues logging in at this moment, then this issue is most likely linked to server issues or your own network connection. If you prefer to reset your Clash of Clans village without having to switch accounts, then you also have the option to delete your application cache. Close Clash of Clans and open up your settings application. On iOS devices, navigate to General and tap on Storage on your iOS device. After a second of loading, look up Clash of Clans and select Offload App. You can then proceed to delete the app and re-download it from the App Store. On Android devices, simply look up Clash of Clans in your settings and select to clear the application's cache. When launching Clash of Clans the next time, you will have to select to log in using your current account or simply start from the beginning using a new one. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.